everybody.
It's Germany this time.
He.
Ha ha ha.
He.
Oh crap! I forgot to reload. Caden.
Ow! That's plastic.
Yeah, right. Oh crap. He's like, hey look, a bullet.
Whoa.
Yeah,
I am Captain Feather Sword.
I'm Dr. Mush Kebabs.
I am.
He wants to apply for a job.
I do.
Nay.
To be continued. Maybe.
In Hawaii.